Good morning, student. Welcome back to all of you in my next lecture for the decomposition of the reactions. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the decomposition reaction, students, before doing the decomposition reaction, just remember it is totally opposite of the combination reaction. So whenever we are talking about this is product, then we are getting A plus B. Okay, this is totally the opposite of the of the combination reaction. Am I right? So it is decomposed, and for the decomposition always heat is required. And when the heat is required, it means usually or heat has been supplied, then usually decomposition reaction will be endothermic reactions. What it will be? It will be the endothermic reactions. Is that clear? So students, let's start with the activity 1.5. So whenever we are talking about the activity 1.5, now what they told you there is a ferrous sulfate crystal. What is it? Ferrous sulfate. Formula is FeSO4. Crystals are there in a dry boiling tube. Then note the color of the ferrous sulfate crystals. ठीक है, यूजली दे आर ऑफ द ग्रीन कलर. कौन सा कलर होता है इनका? ग्रीन कलर. आफ्टर दैट दे आर आस्किंग यू हीट द बॉइलिंग ट्यूब, देन ऑब्जर्व द कलर ऑफ द क्रिस्टल्स आफ्टर द हीटिंग. क्लियर? तो बेटा all of you see there what we are doing there. Just see this activity. Now this is one test tube is there, and in this test tube what is happening there? We are taking a ferrous sulfate crystals. What we are taking there, beta? Ferrous sulfate crystal. Usually its color is green. Its color is green. The color of the ferrous sulfate crystal is green. Student, I will tell you the actual formula of ferrous sulfate crystal is FeSO4 dot 7 H2O. Okay, and when you are heating it, okay, it will change to FeSO4. Okay, and just remember, when we are writing FeSO4 dot 7 H2O, its color is light green color. कौन सा कलर होता है इसका? Light green. But FeSO4, this one is usually having a white color. कौन सा कलर होता है इसका? White color. तो just remember, this is a hydrated ferrous sulfate crystal. This is anhydrous. So first of all, remember this thing, that FeSO4 crystal is having a light green color. After heating, it will form FeSO4, which is anhydrous, and its color will be white color. Which color will be there? White color. Now here in the NCERT they have given one reaction here. What they are heating? They are heating the anhydrous ferrous sulfate. What they are heating, beta? Yes, they are heating the anhydrous ferrous sulfate, means FeSO4 they are heating. And when they are heating, after heating, what we are getting? We are getting Fe2O3 solid plus SO2 gas plus SO3 gas. And I will tell you, student, one thing more. This is there. Now just remember one thing, that this FeSO4 color is white. Which color is here? White color. But this Fe2O3 solid is having a usually brown color. After heating it will become brown, and they are asking you one thing more, that color after heating, observe the color of the crystal after heating, and they are asking you smell also. But a smell will be, when you heat this FeSO4, there will be a smell of burning sulfur. Burning sulfur. Just remember, again I am telling you, ferrous sulfate crystal is having a light green color. When you will heat it, it will loses the water. After loses the water, it will become white. And when you will heat it, now you are giving the heat, providing the heat, so it will give Fe2O3, SO2, SO3. Fe2O3 will be brown in color, SO2 gas and SO3 gas is coming, so that is why there will be a smell of burning sulfur. And just remember, burning sulfur की स्मेल कैसी होती है, जैसे हम किसी टायर को बर्न करते हैं ना, जो स्मेल आती है, सेम इज द स्मेल ऑफ burning sulfur. I hope so this is clear to you. And this is our endothermic reaction. Why endothermic reaction? Because heat we are providing over there, heat we are supplying over there. Is that clear? Oh, yes or no? Okay students, now after that what they have written there, they have written same thing, कि in the above reaction also single reactant is break down into the simpler product, and that is why it is called decomposition reaction. Now they have also given you formula, ferrous sulfuric crystal FeSO4.7H2O. when it loses water by heating, it will change to FeSO4, then it will decompose to Fe2O3 and SO2 and SO3. Okay, and see, same they told कि ferric oxide is a solid, SO2 and SO3 are the gases, but I told you it is having a smell like a burning sulfur. Okay students, after that they have taken one more example. Now next example is there, decomposition of calcium carbonate. What is it beta? Decomposition of calcium carbonate. Formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. This is also called limestone. What do you call limestone, or it is a formula of marble. So when you are providing heat, again we are providing the heat, so that is why it is an endothermic reaction. So when we are providing the heat, so it will decompose into the calcium oxide solid and CO2 gas. How it will decompose? Calcium oxide solid and CO2 gas. But just remember their common names. Calcium carbonate is known as limestone or the marble, and calcium oxide is known as a quicklime. Okay, to mean this is also a decomposition reaction. Okay beta, this is also a, what do you call it, decomposition reaction. And see one thing more, the calcium oxide what we have used is known as lime or quicklime. It has many uses, mainly one of the its uses there in the cement. Just remember, CaO is used in the manufacturing of the cement. Clear? So it is this reaction. This reaction is also called thermal decomposition reaction. What do you call it? Thermal decomposition. Why thermal decomposition? Because thermal means heat, because heat is required to decompose it. Okay students, then after that we are having another example is there for thermal decomposition, that is activity 1.6. So whenever we are talking about the activity 1.6, to just see there all of you very carefully, in the activity 1.6 they told you put a 2 gram of lead nitrate in a boiling tube. Okay, this is a boiling tube we are having, and what we have put, lead nitrate PbNO3 twice. Okay beta, what is it? PbNO3 twice, and boiling tube में लेना है आपने, and we have to heat it. And what we will observe, we have to write down the changes what we are observing after the heating of this one. Is that clear to you? Okay students, तो we have to what to do there बेटा, हमने करना क्या है यहाँ पर देखो, lead nitrate was there, तो lead nitrate को हमने क्या करना है, हीट करना है. बट जस्ट रिमेंबर बिफोर डूइंग दिस रिएक्शन दैट lead nitrate is usually is having a white color salt. कौन सा salt है? it is having a white color salt. Okay, just remember this thing. एंड हमने अब क्या करना है, हमने अब को इसको हीट करना है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर हीटिंग वी हैव टू डीकम्पोज इट, एंड व्हेन इट विल डीकम्पोज यू जस्ट सी. ओके, व्हेन इट विल डीकम्पोज तो क्या होगा हमारे पास, आफ्टर द डीकम्पोजिशन दिस रिएक्शन इज गोइंग टू अकर. सी दिस रिएक्शन ऑल ऑफ यू वेरी केयरफुली. दिस इज द lead nitrate and what we are getting, lead oxide here, NO2 and O2. And students, when this lead nitrate 2PbNO3 twice, I told you it is having a white color, and when you will heat it it will give lead oxide. And lead oxide usually is having it's a solid, and it is having a yellow color. Which color is here? Yellow color. Along with that, what we are getting? We are getting 4NO2, which is nitrogen oxide, dioxide, which is having a brown fumes. कौन से fume है इसके? Which is having a brown fumes. Along with that, O2. O2 is a colorless gas. Once again, I am speaking to you. This is a 2PbNO3 twice. क्या लिखा है मैंने? I will write it again. 2Pb, 2 moles of these two we have written to balance this equation. Okay, I told you earlier in the previous video how to balance the reaction. NO3 twice, heat, and this is of white color. And when we are heating it, what we are getting? Lead oxide. Lead oxide is of yellow color. Then nitrogen dioxide gas, which is of brown color. Then O2 is a gas which is colorless gas. And here also heat we are providing, so that is why it is also a decomposition reaction. Okay beta, what is it? It is also a decomposition reaction because heat we are providing. Just remember their colors: lead nitrate white color, lead oxide yellow color, NO2 is of brown color gas. Is that clear to you to all? समझ आई मेरी? Okay students, after that we will do the activity 1.7. okay, now what is happening there? What will happen in the activity 1.7, that we will do in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much to all of you. God bless you to all. Thank you.